The RentalPoint software ESign service provides its own dedicated web interface for administration at this link. You can access this interface using the administration credentials provided by your support contact, typically your email address and a password. After entering your credentials and signing in, a one-time passcode, or OTP, will be sent to your email address. You'll need to enter this code to complete the sign-in process. The dashboard provides an overview of documents, including their current status. On the Documents page, use the action icons beside each entry to follow up on documents, or select multiple lines with the checkboxes to perform bulk actions. Any actions applied here will also appear in the RentalPoint software user's reminder for overdue items or action lists window. The Audit page provides a more detailed view for tracking document activity. And that's it for our review of the RentalPoint eSign portal. Next, be sure to direct your users to the How to Use RentalPoint eSign video so they can get the most out of the feature.